Let me call this boy to come and bring out my box. There is fire on the mountain. You can carry it. Afam! Afam Efuna!
Ma'am?
Come, my son, there is fire on the mountain. Come. Bring out my box. Where are you going? This one you are dressed like this. This is a danger dressing for some people.
Why?
Don't worry, you will understand.
No generation dressing.
No, for some people it's not new generation.
What are you doing with your box?
Just bring it. Open it. We are relocating.
Relocating to where?
Australia.
Australia.
Yes, my son.
But you have discovered that you are going back to Nigeria.
No, it's cancelled.
Yeah.
That discussion is cancelled.
In this holiday.
It's cancelled, my son.
Why?
There is fire on the mountain. Pack. We are relocating to
Fire
Australia. Yes. Instead
I
of
don't understand Australia.
my son, you will not understand. Just be packing.
But you told him that you came from Nigeria. So, that if you are going for holiday, we are going back to Nigeria. Now you are talking about Australia.
It's no more
I
safe
can't
again.
understand.
It's not safe, my son.
Nigeria is not safe.
No, it's not safe, my son.
I've had a lot of stories about that.
Everything you heard is true, my son. Things are falling
Mom,
apart.
can you tell me more about
Keep
it?
packing, my son. Keep packing. Let me
I'm almost done with packing.
Be packing. Let me bring my Intoleka George. We are leaving. We are not going back to Nigeria again.
This is strange.
Keep packing, my son. Come, let me see you very well.
Want to see me?
I want to see you. Turn around.
I should turn around.
Turn around, my son.
Mom, I'm not going for dressing competition.
Turn around. There is a reason. My son, you see this dressing? It's not allowed in Nigeria.
What happened to my dressing?
They can cripple
They
people.
carry sheets.
No, they can cripple people with this type of dressing.
This is strange.
My son, keep packing.
Where? In
Have you heard of people called SARS?
SARS?
Go and bring chair for me. Let me sit down. Your mother is getting old. I need to sit down and educate you.
Okay, ma'am.
Nigeria. I cry for Nigeria.
Sit.
Thank you, my son. They say we are the giants of Africa, but we are now the dwarf of Africa.
Tell me more story about the country.
My son,
Need to hear more.
you said that SARS.
They are form of police. They protect people and properties.
You're right, my
They
son.
keep peace in the country. That's what.
They're supposed to be doing.
Okay, they're supposed to be doing.
Yeah, that in Nigeria they don't do it. In Nigeria, SARS people cripple legs.
It's not safe.
No, it's not safe. SARS people are now killers.
Oh.
And they are interested in killing the youth. I cry for Nigeria.
You are putting fear in me.
My son, I said it's not safe. We are traveling to Australia. After 50 years in Italy, I'm supposed to go home and take you and go home to our fatherland. So you will see your people, know your culture. But with what is happening now, my son, we are relocating to Australia.
From Nigeria to Italy, from Italy to Australia.
No more.
Instead of going
home.
home.
Can be anywhere. Keep packing, my son. Pack.
But I don't understand. How come the SARS turned to be another thing?
They are only interested in killing the youth, young men.
Youth that are meant to be the future leaders.
In Nigeria, youth are not the future leaders. Grandfathers are the future leaders. In Nigeria.
Yeah, I heard of their presidents have ruled that country for years.
Is that our grandfather?
And again, rule again.
Is Boo Boo?
Mm.
His name is Boo Boo.
They don't have
In Nigerian
sure
youths,
in
they
that
don't have
country.
say. Oh. They don't have say. If they want to protest or do anything, they will start killing them. If you go to Kirikiri, my son, you will see all our youths, they are perishing. It's our grandfathers that are ruling us. People like me, with this type of my waist.
Mom, but that country,
Keep
I
back
really
in, my
want to
son.
experience how that country
You
is.
can't, my son, is not
Because
safe.
I've already-
You say you have laptop.
You know I have laptop.
I know, my son.
Laptop,
You can't go to Nigeria.
Because I have laptop.
Oh yes, anybody with laptop, they are not allowed to go to Nigeria.
Why?
SARS people, they are allergic to laptop.
God of mercy. This is strange.
They
The
don't.
laptop is made for a lot of things.
Not in
It is
Nigeria,
for
my
business.
son. Not in Nigeria.
Not in Nigeria.
Not in Nigeria, my son. SARS people, laptop is like cancer to them. They cripple
What?
young boys. They are dead.
Because of laptop.
Because of laptop, my son, you say you have laptop and you cannot go to Nigeria without your laptop.
I have to. It's part of my
That means, my son,
business.
you
It's
can-
part of my activities, so I have to go with it.
You are not allowed to go to Nigeria with laptop. Nigeria people are allergic to laptop. So many young boys are in the prison yard because of laptop. When they see them and stop them on the road, they will start searching their laptop, intimidating them, my son, beating them and saying that they are Yahoo boys. When these SARS people, police, see innocent boys, they will harass them, disgrace them, beat them, put them
Tell me a
inside
story.
prison. But when these police people and SARS people see the real criminals, the politicians, do you know in Nigeria, things are happening there. Everything bad has happened there. Our politicians, they do turn to snakes.
Snakes.
Oh, you've not heard of that one and you want to go to Nigeria. Whenever they see millions or billions, they automatically turn to snake and start swallowing money.
This is strange.
It's not a funny thing. Stop laughing, my son.
My God.
They
They will turn to snakes
woman snake,
and swallow millions of.
nairas. Very
This is
soon they
strange.
will start swallowing human being. I don't want
God
you to
forbid.
go there. Things are happening. Especially our politicians. They know how to turn to snake, my son. Start packing, I'm going to Australia. With this type of my waist, if I go to Nigeria, they will cripple me. The SARS people will cripple me.
That means you are not going back there?
We are not going. We are no more Nigerians.
Because without my laptop, I cannot function well in my daily activities.
That means you cannot go to Nigeria, my son.
They search laptops and phone.
Disgrace them, beat this boy, innocent boys. What of this one they call
iPhone?
Yes, iPhone, my son. iPhone, you have it.
Of course.
You cannot go to Nigeria, my son. It's not allowed.
What are they doing with iPhone again?
If police or SARS people see you with iPhone, you will enter Kirikiri.
God.
SARS people, police, they don't like iPhone.
It seems that they focus mostly on the young guys.
I told you, my son, they say that youth, is it youth? How do they put it? Youth are the futures of tomorrow. But not in Nigeria. Grandfathers are the futures of tomorrow in Nigeria.
They keep ruling the country.
Oh yes, grandfathers. Maybe soon they will start waking them up from their grave to come and rule. Things are happening, my son. Pack, my son.
I'm packing.
Keep packing. We are going to Australia.
Look at, I'm very weak on these stories
Don't
that you are
worry.
telling me.
We are relocating to Australia, my son.
Have you secured my visa
Everything
to
is
Australia?
ready, even our apartments, everything. I cry for my country, Nigeria.
But that place is not my country.
Nothing, there is no electricity.
A place that I cannot be comfortable. I cannot use my phone. A place that I cannot use my laptop. How do I call the place my country?
That is why I said that Nigeria is not a name of a country. I think maybe
something needs to be done there. The government officials that are in charge of various departments in that country, they need to do something.
The people that are ruling us are grandfathers. Their brains are weak.
They should give chance to young people.
To rule, my son. It's not allowed in Nigeria. Grandfathers are ruling us.
If the country is not working, they should find another alternative at least.
There is no alternative in Nigeria.
Let everybody go his way.
And when the youth stand up to protest, they will start shooting them, putting them in the prison. Oh.
No.
They don't care about the promises. There is no electricity. The way you are seeing constant light here, there is nobody cares. The hospital, nothing is safe. Nothing is working, my son. Pack, my son.
No road, no electricity.
Nothing is working.
No water.
When young boys travel from that country you say is Nigeria, come to abroad to better their life. And when they return home to meet their loved ones and invest their money, the SARS people and police people will start killing them because of 1,000 naira, my son. And you say you want to go to that country.
I've heard a lot of stories like that.
We are not going. We are not going. We are relocating from Italy to Australia.
Okay, ma'am. That'll be fine because I wouldn't like to go to a place that somebody will call me a Yahoo boy because I'm using iPhone, because I'm using laptop.
God bless you.
Somebody will use a nice car on the road and the SARS or whatever they are called will stop me and call me a Yahoo boy or shoot me. No.
They will ask them to enter inside gutter, dirty water, and be swimming.
I have changed my mind.
To my son, close the bag.
I have changed my mind. I will not go there.
We are not going.
That means it's better that we move to
Australia, my son.
Australia,
you know, since we have been in this Italy, everything is working fine, and you want us to not go and experience
maximum security.
Everything.
Italian police, they don't disturb you if you are legally here. If you are doing your thing, you are facing your business, no one disturbs you. Here is a very peaceful country.
And you want us to go to Nigeria?
No, I won't like to experience such
they will
things.
cripple my waist, my son. Carry the bag, let's go. Aya, carry the bag, my son. Road to Australia.
So we are moving to Australia.
Yes, my son.
Australia, here we come.
Yes, my son.
Niger.
Bye-bye.
If you people don't want to put your country in order, no one will do it for you.
Your favorite Nai and Winnie Nai in the building, and this is us saying end SARS. Yes.
End police brutality. End bad government. Everything bad.
End it.
Young people, they need to go to that seat. Before I came into the world, the same people that have been ruling that country, they are still the same people doing it up to date. And bad government. The youth need to do something.
Yes.
The youth need to change everything about the that I have laptop does not mean that I'm a Yahoo boy. That I have phone does not mean that I'm a Yahoo boy. Police don't have any right to search my phone. Police doesn't have any right to search my laptop. That I drive nice car does not mean that I'm a Yahoo boy. Any hustler has to do what? Have his pay. Anyone that is working has to make money. So, if I make money today, ride my nice car, have laptop,
even dress
fine, have good houses, doesn't mean that I'm a Yahoo boy. There are a lot of people that do legitimate business, making money out of it. So, don't tag me a Yahoo boy. Don't tag me a thief. Don't tag me a hoodlum. Because I am making it in life. End police brutality. End SARS completely. Bad government should do what? End.
Enough is
enough.
Enough. So guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you learned one or two things. One thing we are going to do for us is to do what? Share this video everywhere on Facebook, Twitter. Share this video everywhere shareable. This video needs to go viral. It needs to go everywhere. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. And we're going to see you in our next video. It's still your favorite Nai and Wuyen Nai. And together we are Ozi Tochi. Bye.